graph of y equals ax plus b over x plus c has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 2 and a vertical asymptote at x equals -3, then a plus c equals.
So let's mimic what needs to happen right here. If I have a vertical asymptote at x is equal to -3, isn't that basically written as x plus 3 on the bottom? Yeah? Because the vertical asymptote happens on the bottom. And if I want the horizontal asymptote to be 2 over 1, I need 2x over 1x. And if y'all remember the rule, the highest power, or the degree, is going to control the horizontal asymptote. So 2 over 1 is going to give me 2. Then I have my vertical asymptote at 3. And it's saying, what is my a plus c? So my a in this case, it is ax, meaning a is 2. Oh, a is 2 and I wrote a. Let me get rid of that. Then what is my c? C is my 3. C is 3. And when I add these two together, what do I get? 5. Done. When you set that equal to 0, you would do plus 3 on both sides.
Because it's x minus
Mhm.
the vertical asymptote
Now let's go to number 15.
minus negative. It's always x minus.
On number 15, we need to figure out when is it not continuous. Oh. So I'm going to circle the pieces that are basically the same. It's approaching the same number. 0 is approaching that number. So my first equation is going to be, when I plug in the 0, it is sine of 0 must equal 0 all squared. That's the first part. And then let's find the next piece that are approaching the same number, the 1. So if I were to put that in algebraically, we have 1 squared is equal to, we're looking at 2 minus the 1. And do I see another number that's approaching the same number? The 2. So that's going to give us 2 minus 2 must equal, not x, I keep writing the x, 2 minus 3. So we have 2 minus 3. So let's solve each part of them. What is sine of 0? Ooh. At 0, is there an up and down movement? No, 0. The cosine of 0 is 1 though. And 0 all squared is 0, so we're good with that one. My second one, 1 all squared is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Isn't that true?
Yes.
And then my third one, 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 3 is -1. That is not true. It says, where is it not continuous? And that we're looking at C. Okay, was my 18 the next one? Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's quickly define limit. Limit is when it is approaching. It doesn't have to get there. Are we getting closer to? Okay? So, looking at this one, let's look at as limit is approaching A. From the left and the right, are we approaching the same number?
Yes.
We don't have to get there, but we're approaching the same number. So that one is approaching 2. That kind of gives the answer away, right? I think. Which one must be true? Isn't that B basically?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at one that's not going to be true. So we have an idea. When it is approaching B from the left, it is approaching 2. But from the right, it's approaching what number? 1. So hopefully that's enough to explain the rest are not going to work out. Okay?